in this problem, we're told how many atoms are there in a 3.4 gram copper penny. And so what we're going to be doing in this problem is basically converting from grams into atoms. So keep that in mind. And so what we're given is we're told that it's going to be 3.4 grams, and keep in mind it's going to be copper. So how do we go about doing that? So what we're going to do first is find the number of moles, and then we're going to convert from moles all the way into atoms. So first we got to find the number of moles, and the way you do that is by taking the mass. In this case, it's 3.4 grams, dividing, and then you divide by the molar mass. And so the molar mass is just a value you can look up. It's different for each material. In this case, for copper, right, so the molar mass of copper right here is 63.55 grams per mole. And so once you have that, you have n, or lowercase n, which is the number of moles. Then you multiply by Avogadro's number, which is this right here, 6.023 times 10 to the 23. That's going to go ahead and give you the number of atoms. So let's go just go ahead and follow that step, or that process. So the number of moles is equal to the mass, 3.4 grams. And then we're going to divide by the molar mass, which is going to be 63.55. And so if you go ahead and do that, 3.4 divided by 63.55, you're going to get it equals 0.053511. I'm just going to leave the calculator value in here when I multiply it by this. But yeah, so this is the number of moles basically. And then in order to convert into atoms, all we have to do is multiply it by Ag, Avogadro's number, this value right here. So 6.023 times 10 to the 23. And so when you go ahead and do this, you're going to get the number of atoms is equal to 3.22, or about 3.22 times 10 to the 22 atoms. So number of atoms in this case in a 3.4 gram copper